Rob here with This Just In. Check out this beauty. 2022 Ford F-150. The XLT has 113,000 miles on it. This baby is loaded. Front sensors, all LED. It's got the 360 camera view. Nice running boards, power seats. It is very well equipped. Big screen for a F-150. Got the FX4 package, rear slider, tow package, one owner, no accidents on the Carfax. This color is called Space White. Just a beautiful truck. Can be yours for $35,995. Sounds expensive, but you might want to check the price on a new one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Graham Outlet, 1667 West 4th Street, Ontario, Ohio, where everyone rides.